Hello and welcome to ITBS Media. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your date format in Microsoft Excel from one format to another, depending on your need. At ITBS Media here, we focus on everyday business technology knowledge. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video and share with your friends. Alright, let's get into business. There may be a reason why you need to change the date format. If you look at the screen, this is the date format we have here now. And there could be a need for you to change that date format. For example, if you're migrating your data from Microsoft Excel Worksheet into a SQL Server database or into MySQL Workbench environment, or even to Oracle, you might need to change the data at the date format. In that case, it is very simple to do, because if you don't do it, and you discover that at the destination you will receive error and you will not be able to proceed until you come back and change the date format. So you need to know this is one of the steps that you will need to undertake when you are planning to migrate your data. So you need to know what date format the destination database will accept. Okay, so to do this, we want to change this to the format that is acceptable for SQL Server database or MySQL, and that would be year, month, and date format, which is YYY-MM-DD. So to do that, what we need to do is select the cells you want to convert and right click. Once you right click, go to Format Cells, and here we go. You see, you scroll to Date and you see different formats of dates. See, so you can select any one you like or you think is compatible with the destination where you're migrating your data to, or even if it is within Microsoft Excel that you want to retain your data, but you want to change the format, you select the format you want here. So this is the format that we're changing it to. We change it to this format, and apart from having the opportunity to change it here, you can also change the language. You can see here, you can see English, United States Africans, Albania. You can do all sorts. You can change it. So we stay with English, United States. So just click OK. You see, it has changed it. If you're migrating your data to Microsoft SQL Server or MySQL database, then it will be able to go smoothly now. Okay, let's go back and change it to another format. Assuming for your worksheet you want to have date, you want to have the day of the week, the month written in string. So Wednesday is in string, and the month is in string. I say Wednesday, the day of the week is in string, and the month is in string. So we pick it. Let's see what will happen. You see, so you can change the date format the way you like it. That is all we will look at in this particular video. So we'll be looking at some features in Microsoft Publisher. If you're interested, look out for the video. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, share, and like the video. I'll see you in the next video.